How's it going, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to learn how to write an Excel file in C#. All right, so today we're going to walk through how to read and write Excel files using IronXL in Visual Studio 2022. I've already installed the latest version using the NuGet Package Manager. And remember, for optimal performance, we always recommend using the most recent versions of both Visual Studio and IronXL. So here's our test subject, an Excel file that we are going to read and write data using IronXL. So let's dive into the code. First off, we include the IronXL namespace. Then we are reading an Excel file from the specified path using the workbook.load function. The default worksheet of the workbook is assigned to worksheet, and then a specified range of cells are chosen from the worksheet. In the next block, we iterate over this range and print the value of each cell to the console. So if a cell contains numeric data, its value is added to a running total. Next, we validate if the sum of the values in the range cells matches the value in the cell A8 by using the decimal value property. If the value matches, we print basic test pass to the console. Finally, we modify a cell's value, specifically B2, assigning it a value of 11.54, and save our changes to a new file named modified.xlsx using the save as function. All right, so here on the console, you can see the output of the code. It shows the content of each cell in the range and confirms that our formula validation has passed successfully. And now let's take a look at our modified Excel file. And there you have it. This is the Excel file that we've modified using IronXL. You can see that the cell B2 now holds the value 11.54, just as we specified in our code. All right, we hope that you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you'd like some more useful tutorials from Iron Software.